Vital Intelligence is an AI-based software that looks for key indicators like heart rate, blood oxygen levels, O2 levels, and your respiratory rates.
Skin temperature is measured using state-of-the-art infrared cameras. With each heartbeat, our faces blush from the change in pressure. Computer vision can perceive these changes that are invisible to our eyes. Blushing is counted by the computer much like a pulse. Blood with less oxygen becomes blue-green in colour, so we measure blood oxygen saturation by looking for the red to green shift in the blush. Rhythmic movement of our chest and shoulders reveals our breathing rate. All of the measurements are done at once and completed in seconds.
Those are the things that doctors look for when you come in, and Vital Intelligence gives you real-time data as you screen people who might be working in concessions or might be interacting with the fans or customers as they come into your business.
Our technology is being used in a number of high-traffic areas: schools, correctional facilities, doctors' offices, corporate offices, retail settings, as well as restaurants, not to mention manufacturing facilities and federal buildings. Draganfly has applied this patented technology into standalone kiosks, tabletop units, wall-mounted units, telemedicine systems, and even smartphones. Our diverse team has engineered the VI system to be effective with all skin types, an issue the competitors have not resolved. When a kiosk detects people with abnormal vital signs, they can be isolated from the rest of the population for additional testing, reducing spread and keeping others safe. And the data can be compiled to give an institution a daily, weekly, or monthly overview of biometric trends.